Hi friends, welcome to ARC Tutorials. Today we will learn how to take screenshot on Mac OS. So a lot of folks have been asking me how do we take screenshots on Mac OS, what are the keys, what are the commands, what are the keys that we use to take screenshot. So I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on this. So let's get started. Friends, before we do that, my request to you is please subscribe and like my channel to keep supporting me so that I can bring you more easy tech tutorials that you find useful in your everyday life. Thank you so much in advance for subscribing. Alright, so here on your screen you would see command plus shift plus 4 key is equal to select screenshot view. That's right. So the command set that we will use is command plus shift plus 4. That will give you an option to select the area which you want to take a screenshot of on your screen. The second command plus shift plus 3, will automatically bring you entire screenshot and put it, all the default goes into your desktop. So let me show you both how do we do the screenshots on Mac. So for example, let's say I want to take a screenshot of this screen. So like I said, press command shift and 4 and you see this bullet icon, the icon cursor icon has changed. So now this will allow you to choose the area that you want to take screenshot of. So I have selected this area. So you would hear a sound which says whether it's, so you can see the time as well. So this is how I have taken a screenshot. So let's go back and now try command plus shift plus 3 key. Press command button, press shift, press 3 and now go back to desktop and see here it has taken the entire screenshot. So this, the first command, which is command plus shift plus 4, will give us an option to choose the area we want to take the screenshot of, and command plus shift plus 3 will take, by default, take the entire desktop screen, and all the screenshots will be put it under desktop, so you can go and find all the screenshots that are taken. So this was a cool tutorial, friends. For more such easy quick tech hacks, stay tuned to my channel, and again my request would be please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Don't forget to share it with your friends and families. Thank you so